So, the reason why you can sometimes get an eviction off your credit is because it depends on where it's showing and how it's being reported. So, evictions, they usually do not show up on your credit report by default. What shows instead is an unpaid rent collection or a court judgment that's tied to the eviction or a tenant screening report that landlords use, not lenders. So the first step is just figuring out where the eviction actually lives. And if it's on your credit report, you are then not disputing the eviction itself. You are disputing the accuracy of the reporting. And so even if the eviction happened, every detail that's being reported has to be accurate and verifiable. They can't just pick and choose what is accurate and what is not. And so even if 4 out of the 5 things are accurate, it has to be 100% accurate. That means the balance has to be correct, the dates have to all line up, the legal status has to be right, and the company reporting it has to prove that they're allowed to. So if one part is verifiable but the rest isn't, that account is still inaccurate. Let's say they end up fixing the balance and they fix the dates. They are allowed to do that, but the law does require accuracy, not automatic deletion. So fixing one thing doesn't make the account untouchable. And when the account is corrected, now has to match the original creditor, has to match the court record. They have to match the date of the first delinquency report the same way across all bureaus. And so if anything is still off even after the correction, that is now a new dispute, not a repeat one. And so correcting an account does not mean it resets the clock. They can't legally keep it on your report longer just because they updated it. And a mistake that people will usually make is that they will rush to pay an eviction thinking that it will disappear, but it doesn't equal removal. Strategy matters a lot more here because evictions are not always permanent, but they are process driven and accuracy is your leverage. And so if you're dealing with one and you don't know where to start, this is exactly why having a plan really matters.